Hello dear friends, here we are again. I sent you greetings from the Netherlands and I thank you for joining me in this series on how to stay positive in a negative world. Today I want to share with you another very practical but biblical point, and that is in a way hospitality, and especially in the field of baking or cooking and sharing it with someone, sharing a meal, baking a pie for someone, some cookies, whatever. And this will, you say, well, how's that going to make the world better? How can I conquer evil by baking cookies? Well, let me tell you, the Bible specifically speaks about hospitality, and let's go there and let's read it. You can find it in the first letter, First Peter, and in chapter 4. Yeah, actually, I'm reading verse 7 till 9. It says, "The end of the world is coming soon. Therefore, be earnest and disciplined in your prayers." We talked about that. Most important of all, continue to show deep love for each other. For love covers a multitude of sins. Then it comes. Cheerfully share your home with those who need a meal or a place to stay. Now, of course, it doesn't say make cookies for someone, but share your home or share a meal with someone. That will truly bless you. It will bless you. It will bless the person involved. It will bless your household. It will just give you enormous joy to do that. And it will take negative thoughts away when you're preparing a meal or when you're baking a pie and you're going to share it with someone. So invite somebody or bring it over and talk about the good things. And it's not very complicated. And I know we all have a gift to do this. It can be very simple. It can be extravagant, whatever you want to do. But I hope you take this to heart, and I hope you are going to bless somebody. You are going to bless somebody with some goodies. And see you tomorrow. Bye.